Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a quick video on my new to me 2003. It's a Bombardier tractor Quest 650. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that the right way. Has a 3,500 pound Champion winch on the front. Little upgraded LED headlight. Has the original tires, front and rear. Still lots of tread on them. There's the rear. It's nice, it has heavy duty front and rear bumpers. The camo plastic's faded a little bit, but it's still in good shape. There's no cracks in it. And it's showing 129.3 hours or 451 miles. They're in miles. So the party I bought it from was the second owner, and he actually sold it to get a newer, I believe it's a CF Moto 500. So he's actually put a new fuel pump in, new fuel lines, and a few other little odds and ends. The story on this ATV is it sat for many years without it being used. Just had a new battery put in. One thing I have done to it, just because I had some, was actually sprayed the front rack and front bumper with what's called a bed liner. And I'll actually do a video on doing the rest of the ATV. As you can see, the back rack's in decent shape, but it has some surface rust on it, so we'll sand that all down and spray it. And it has the passenger foot pegs on it, and we'll clean all those up and all down here too. So let's give it a start. Has a little rattle here. It's this plastic piece, and that leads to the radiator. So we'll tighten that up. All the lights work on it. You can see there's some surface rust underneath of it, so we'll get all that cleaned up. The LED light, that one right there, actually works on the high beams. Let's take it for a little spin. So it seems to run well. The only issue I had is when I brought it home last night and tried to get it off the trailer, it wouldn't start. And I believe it was an issue with the battery being a little bit too low. He had put it in yesterday or the day before, and I don't think it was fully charged. So once I charged up the battery, it worked fine. So the plan is to clean up all the surface rust underneath of the ATV on all the suspension and whatnot. I'm going to change the oil and filter. He said he changed the front and rear differential, but I'll change it just so I get on my own schedule. And I'll check the coolant too. And again, I'm going to do a video on painting the racks. And these will turn out just like brand new. Again, I just did a quick job on the front. I still need to get, all the little nooks and crannies, and need to do up here. I'm going to tape off the original stickers. I'd like to keep those. And we'll see how this works. And another thing that I'm going to be adding is a plow and hopefully a back seat. And the mirrors are on it. On our trails here, when you get a trail membership, you need to have mirrors on your ATVs in order to go on them. So let's just see plans on the little 03 Bombardier 650. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos on this little beast, and hopefully a whole bunch of plowing videos. Take care.